Hey CAPCA members, Brianna here. Today I'll show you how to set up the auto renewal for your CAPCA membership. First things first, we'll head over to CAPCA.com and hit the individual membership page. That's where you'll see all the perks, how your dues help us out, and ways to get involved. Next, we're going to click on Get Membership and log in with our PCA account. I'm not a PCA, so I'm going to use Patrick's account here as an example. Okay. So this is Patrick's dashboard, and we're going to check out this new widget, CE tracking and CAPCA membership. You notice how he has 19 CE hours logged already, but we can't see the details? That's because we need an active membership. Scroll on down to license and membership, and that's where you'll see your DPR renewal period. That's what's associated with your license, of course. Patrick's not signed up for either years yet, so let's go ahead and fix that. Pick your membership type. PCA is already selected for him because he's licensed. And you'll notice that 2024 is locked because it's not relevant to the current license renewal period. But for 2025, we can either pay once or make life easy with auto renewal. And that's the point of this, so let's turn that on. And as a little bonus, Auto Renew signs you up for the Advisor magazine for free. Just make sure your address is updated in your profile so that it gets to the right place. Now, let's hit apply for CAPCA membership and then purchase. Boom. Your cart shows your auto renew membership and the free magazine. It's time to check out. CAPCA uses Stripe. It's super secure and quick. I'll skip ahead through the payment part for obvious reasons. And we're back. You're now set for 25 and 26, and your membership will auto renew on January 1st, 2026. You'll also see a Manage My Renewal button right here. You can click that button anytime to make changes or cancel. You can also grab your pre-filled DPR renewal summary and enjoy all your member benefits, like the Advisor, online CE, and discounts on events. Easy, right? Set it and forget it. Have a good day. Bye!